Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: an Ethernet cable for wired setup or a compatible Wi-Fi adapter for wireless. Plug power into the modem and router. Make sure the WAN light is steady. Once done, connect the desktop to the router with the cable or enable the adapter. You need the router's SSID and password ready. These let you authenticate. This reduces trial and error and speeds the next steps because the network side is already verified and powered. Now configure the desktop. Open network settings and select Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If you use DHCP, the router assigns IP, gateway, and DNS automatically. Choose static only if required and enter IP, gateway, subnet mask manually. For Wi-Fi, pick the SSID and type the password exactly, case matters. Once connected, verify the IP and DNS. You can set DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for reliable resolution. These choices control how your desktop reaches the internet. Finish by verifying connectivity. You should be able to ping 8, 8, 8, 8. An example. Success confirms both routing and DNS. If it fails, restart modem and router, then renew the desktop's DHCP lease and recheck cables. Make sure your firewall or proxy isn't blocking traffic and update network adapter drivers if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if DNS fails but ping by IP works, change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.